Tennis elbow isn't just for athletes. It can hit anyone, anytime. Even lifting a mug can become painful. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments. With simple home rehab, you can ease the pain and get your strength back. Tennis elbow starts when tiny tendons in your elbow are overused, leading to irritation. Repetitive actions like typing, gripping, or gardening can spark it. The solution? Stretches and strengthening. Start with gentle wrist stretches, holding each for about 20 seconds. Then add light strengthening. Use a water bottle or small dumbbell to build endurance in your forearm. Rest and cold compresses are key to calming inflammation and speeding recovery. With consistency, you'll notice less pain, better grip, and improved mobility in just weeks. You don't have to live with elbow pain. Stick with these simple steps, stay consistent, and watch your strength return. Relief is closer than you think.